Hello everyone. I haven't made a video in a while. I don't like to do these things. Don't like looking at myself or hearing my voice. But some things need to be said about the water spark plug project. I haven't asked, for crowdfunding in years because I know that's pointless. Um, but this is an investment opportunity. It takes capital to make these prototypes. If you didn't know, Stanley Meyer, he had borrowed $500,000 to make his hydrogen gas injector fuel cells, what I'm upgrading to call water spark plugs. Basically the same thing. They enable gasoline engines to run on water and nitrogen in the air. You combine hydrogen and nitrogen, you get ammonia. When you use ammonia as fuel, you get nitrous oxide as exhaust. Well, they make solid oxide fuel cells now that consume nitrous oxide as fuel. So even on the tail end, the muffler, for example, could be replaced with this fuel cell. So you have a zero emission vehicle that even the exhaust is producing fuel for energy. Make it a loop. Anyhow, it's been very discouraging. Our society's not getting any closer to allowing, you know, for us to utilize these devices. There's over 5,000 different free energy devices that make fossil fuels obsolete. They're not going to be allowing us anytime soon access to these devices. So, I'm super blessed. I have a beautiful home with fruit and gardens everywhere. I'm growing food and just doing the best I can. But I know society can be better, but we're slipping further and further away from the utopia that we could be living in. I'm blessed. I feel like I'm in utopia. So perhaps I'm not putting as much energy into the spark plug project as I should be. I've been working on this property here in Hawaii, but it's just discouraging when other people in this field of work are like, "Oh, you're asking for money. What's wrong with you?" Like, dude, I can you make a cell phone with your bare hands? I can't. I can't make nanotechnology. There's prototyping facilities that do specialize in this task, and I've contacted them for a budget on what it would cost to make my spark plugs, and over a year's time, plus a $250,000 third-party testing fee that takes about a month. I need like $2 million to pull this off, to make a working prototype and have it tested. You never want to show the press some invention before you can prove it works. They'll tear you apart. I did that in 2008 on Kauai. Made a solar powered hydrogen van, and the press just called it science fiction. Today it's called green hydrogen, an emerging $1 trillion industry, taking renewable energy and performing electrolysis on water. And again, what I'm talking about is called the Haber-Bosch process, making hydrogen from water, bonding it to nitrogen from the atmosphere. Except today, the electrolysis process, part of that equation, is way more advanced and way more efficient. And I'll quote the 2000 Cambridge white paper: arc liberated energy exceeds electrical input energy. Within that paper, basically, if you apply electrical resonance to fog, you treat water first, turn it into a fog-like state, then you apply electrical resonance to that water mist, and you can efficiently break water into fuel 1,000 times over. So within the first two chambers of my spark plug design, that's exactly what's happening. In the third chamber, we're combining nitrogen from the air and making gaseous ammonia on demand. It's being dispersed to the top of your cylinder head and ignited with lasers. I'm not disassociating water with lasers. I'm not trying to copy other people's work. Yes, of course, I've been highly influenced by lots of people. Stan Meyer, obviously, but hell, a man in Dallas named Garrett, Henry Garrett, made a water-fueled carburetor in the 30s. People, look it up. I'm not lying to you. Anyhow, it's yes, I'm still asking for money because I have hope that someday we're going to pull our heads out of our ass and realize there's a better way to do things. And another big misconception that people get confused about is, oh, we can't use water as fuel, we'll run out of water. Currently, it takes 2.5 gallons of water to make 1 gallon of gasoline from oil. We actually save our water supplies by utilizing this technology because it takes the moisture in the air for this stuff to run. So, and the water cycle, if you know about the water cycle, it's just, we're gelling with nature by acquiescing to this technology that's been around a long time. So, man, people, I really did. I gave up on asking for money because it's just. Here's another thing before I let y'all go. Aaron Salter Jr. just last year came up with another method. He ran a Ford F-150, made the papers because he was the first one killed at the scene at that Buffalo shooting last year. Coincidence? Yeah. Well, my business partner out here, about 2 weeks before he started to sell hydrogen scooters in the state of Hawaii, heart attack. Was a healthy young Asian man in his 30s. Guy Toyoma, look it up. So, strange things happen to people who try to change the world. Perhaps that's why I stopped trying to change the world so hard a while back. But the opportunity is still out there if we can collectively wake up and demand access to better ways of life. I mean, everything has gone up in costs because fuel costs went up. So if they're going to ban fossil fuels, please share this video. Go to watersparkplugs.com. I've been making videos for 10 years, probably not as many as I should. As mentioned, I don't really like doing these things, but try to prove me wrong. I've called teams of engineers at these prototyping facilities. They go, oh, what a great idea. We would love to build it. Well, we would love to pay you to build it, but guess what? That takes money. So I'm asking for money. You, as the investor, are the treasurer. I don't want your money. You control your money. You write the checks to the prototyping facility that'll get this done. That's the partnership I need with somebody that can put up $2 million. You control the paycheck. Get the checks to these prototyping facilities that have my designs, and let's make a prototype. The rest is going to fall into place. Once you show the world and have it third-party tested and show everyone, take it to SEMA in Vegas, they can't stop it. I have a plan, but I'm not trying to patent this like every other person before me who gets nowhere going that route. If someone can make a better product for less money, more power to them. That's how the automobile industry, kind of thrives. Is no one can dominate the engine. There's lots of different engine manufacturers. There's lots of different current spark plug companies. You'd be ideal as a business partner. Sparkplug, Autolite, Champion, any of you guys. If you want to make a water spark plug, contact me. MrGreenEnergy@yahoo.com. I'll end it right there. Thanks for listening to my rant. Aloha.